Fellow RVers, I was having another issue with another Dometic fridge that I have. Press this button, nothing happens. The light doesn't come on and the fridge doesn't turn on. My guess is that the problem is with the control board. I'm going to replace the control board and we'll see if that fixes that problem. So this video is how I'm replacing this circuit board here. I was able to find the part on Amazon. If you have this same issue and you have the Dometic RM2351, I'll post a link below where I purchased this circuit board. To replace this, it shouldn't be too difficult. You just got to take out these two screws here. The two screws there you unscrew and this part will come apart. Alright, now if you can see this, there is this little you want to take off that screw there. And then disconnect right there. Okay, then we will just take a little screwdriver here, push the tabs down, break the plastic. So you push those tabs down, take out the old part. So as you see those tabs, now we will just replace it. Pop it back in. It did come with a new zip tie. However, this one's still functional, I believe, and I'm just going to use the same one. But what we'll do is we will plug it back in. Automatically we can see that it's working. And we will put this screw back in. And there, that's how you replace the circuit board on an RM2351 Dometic fridge. Alright, so the control board has been replaced. Cut it on. See, it turns on. I can hear the gas trying to fire on. If I hit the button, now the light does come on. Stays on. Before. And it's working. It is working now. Well, that seemed to fix the problem. The light comes on. When I switch it to gas, I can hear it kick on and I hear the flame get ignited. So that's a good thing. Hopefully this video was a little bit helpful. If it was, hit that like button. And as always, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe, help me grow this channel, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day.